Alright, here comes the Atlassian Swag. Looks interesting. This is a beautiful box and it weighs 0.7 kgs. Let's unbox this special Atlassian Team 2021 gift. Where do I open it? Wow, that's really beautiful. It comes with a caption. If you take out the team in teamwork, it's just work. Now, who wants that? Matthew Woodring Stewart. See you at Atlassian Team 21. Good. And here comes plastic cover. Oh wow, what's this? A stress buster ball, beautifully engraved with A Atlassian. Very nice. Then comes the USB charging cable. That's box here. Whoa, hold on. Did you see that? These are the sticky notes. Seems like a white pages book and it has a pen. Surprisingly, this is a 3-foot USB. Now I understood why they have given this charger. Let's open this. Wow, that's nice. It's a white pages book. Beautiful. And comes a small pen. It looks like a miniature pen. Very nice. I like it. And the sticky notes. Oh wow. There are a bunch of them. It's really beautiful case with a 3-port USB. I liked it. It says Atlassian Team 2021. Beautiful. I like it. Wow. Beautiful Atlassian pen. Made in Japan. Marvel. Let's do this. Nice, very nice. Wow, nice pair of socks. Stay a step ahead, always. Who don't like swags? It's beautiful. Let's open the pack. So soft. Wow. Do you feel this? This looks so nice. Wow. And what we have next? Lastly, we have Atlassian notebook, the notepad journal. I liked it. So that's all, team. This is the interesting swag, the surprise swag from Team Atlassian on their annual virtual event that's happened